Welcome to Bears in Exile. Today is Sunday, March the 17th, and this is a quick hit on the indexes. Starting off with the Dow, and here we are. You know, the Dow is down 25 points, and I'm sure there was lots of people thinking, oh, this is it, this is the big decline. Not so fast. We have a hanging man. Maybe the head is a little too big. It is tied at the top of a possible range. It is not at the top of a possible range, so that's not as nice. There is no downtick, and we did not close below the halfway mark of Thursday's big green candle. Yeah, it's not the biggest green candle, but nonetheless, the halfway mark. Didn't do it. What else do we see here? Well, yes, this run has been incredible. A downtick at this point, should we get it, only gives us a target just shy of 14,350. I do think we'll have a downtick before long. This week, I would imagine. But what else do we see? We see that the 14-day RSI moving average is in ascent. I do believe that there will be one more move up. I could be wrong about that, but I do believe it is entirely doable and possible. We have the stochastics locked high. We have the CCI holding high. We have the RSI very high. We have the MACD histogram slightly down, MACD itself up. And certainly you could make a case that we should have an imminent decline. The negative divergence, which we've talked about, there's plenty of reasons. But as of yet, no downtick, no shorting. And I do think that we'll get one more pop-up, and I probably will short that. But I hope that it comes Monday, Tuesday. I am looking for that. Going on to SPX. Same thing as the Dow. No need to rehash. This is pretty. Getting another pop-up would be absolutely perfect. And especially if we can still have the MACD histogram decline on that move up. But 14-day RSI moving average in ascent. Everything else locked high. And this making a divergence would be really, or further divergence, I should say, would be fantastic. Just going to give it a little more time. And in the UUP video, we're talking about the NDE from Saturday in Cyprus, and how if we do get that gap fill, it does favor another pop-up on the US index. I hope that it's a good one. A blow off top would be picture perfect. Going on to the VIX. Excuse me. Now, if the market is going to decline, the VIX should look really good for a bounce. Well, what do we have? We have not a new low, so that's decent for the bulls, VIX bulls. But we are holding this level of support, and if it breaks, which it could do easily, there should be a flush of some sort, to some degree. We have the 14-day RSI moving average in decline, which is one of the reasons why I believe that this may not be done, and we could have a pop-up further in the market. Stochastics holding low, CCI getting above the minus 100. RSI very low. That actually kind of begs for a little bit of a pop-up, but MACD histogram essentially going sideways, MACD still going down. This is not a pretty chart, and one more flush I think would do it, but we shall see. And going on to TNA, my favorite at the moment, one of my favorites. We have a doji star. It did make a new high on Friday. We do have the 14-day RSI moving average in ascent, and just like the Dow, just like SPX, everything is locked high. Notice the MACD histogram not ticking down like the Dow, like SPX. Now, you could say, all right, we have Doji Star indecision candle. It's time for this to decline. We do not have a downtick at the moment. We did not close below the halfway mark on this. People are still very bullish, and it is getting to that magic level above 90, which I absolutely love. If we can get a pop into between 92 and 94, I would be very, very confident to short at that level with a time frame of between 2 weeks to 2 months. So I don't see how it would be possible to maintain that level for that length of time. So I think that that's pretty safe, but just my opinion. And if we look at the internal structure of volume, what do we see? Well, we have one red, and that's it. And it is not one of the two majors. The unbalanced volume is declining slightly on Friday. Accumulation distribution still ticking up. It's going to run out of space. So this is going along with what we were saying in the previous video. We do have the dual volume flow going positive, first day green on, can't tell if that's Thursday or Friday. It looks like Thursday to me. Yeah, it is Thursday. So we do need a little more development before this falls to pieces, but do I think that it will? Yes, and I hope that it can do it from a higher level. And I'm also going to look at TZA really fast, because I mean going along on this one could be a good move. And here we are with the internal structure of volume. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 reds, 1 green. Running out of room on the accumulation distribution, running out of room, well, it has more breathing room on the unbalanced volume. But one thing that I do not like about this one is we're definitely at our current floor, which it pierced on Friday. Get another low and you can have another dump out to some extent. I do love that it is in the single digits. Love it. Matter of fact, last time we were looking at the single digits trade on TZA was right here. And we saw what happened right at that moment. It had a really nice move. Of course, since it has broken it. But once it finds a correct floor, it'll have another nice move. The question is, where is that going to be? Well, no indication yet, and it'll come rapidly. 14-day RSI moving average going down, everything locked low. When it does get here, it will be rapid, but we do not have any indication that this is the moment. Matter of fact, this is a moment of catching people off guard, because one more dump, very, very easy to do. And there it is. As always, all investing decisions are your own. This chart and video for entertainment, educational, and consumption of time purposes only. Thank you.